Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I have a product for you called LITOM. This is a solar landscape light. This product is great for your front or backyard. It's waterproof, heat resistant, and frost resistant. If you're looking to purchase this item, you can buy it on Amazon. In this box comes 2 solar powered landscaping lights. So here we're just going to unbox the item and check it out. The 2 lamps were nicely wrapped in bubble wrap for secure shipping. So here we have one of the solar lamps. You can see the solar panel right on top. Now in this box they also provide screws and wall plugs. We'll get more into that in a bit. Also provided is 2 ground stakes and the second solar lamp light, along with the user manual. Also providing a solar panel informational chart on how to charge properly your solar light. Now there's 2 ways that you can mount your solar light, either on a ground with a stake or using the screws to screw it to a fence. On the side is a knob screw to adjust your solar panel and light, locking it in a direction you want your light to face. Remember to remove the information card before you start charging. You want to make sure to face your solar screen in the sun at all times. So here on the back of the solar light is a button. This is your turn on switch. So if you push it once, it turns it on onto low light settings. If you push it twice, it turns it onto the second light settings. If you push it for the 3rd time, it shuts it off. It's nice that you can adjust the lighting from light to bright, depending on how bright you want your light to be. So on the solar light, there is 12 LED lights that's being charged by the solar panel. So this is the area you always want the sun to be seeing. Now if you're going to be putting it into the ground, here's a stake to insert on the bottom. And then just push it in the ground. Now if you don't want to stake it into the ground, just by using the screws they provided, you can attach it to the wall or fence to light up those areas that are dark, like pathways or areas in your yard that you want to see at night. Again, this is the LITOM Solar Light Landscaping Light. These lights charge during the day and light automatically at night. So the manual comes in 6 different languages and provides all the information you need to know. So I'm going to take you around my yard and show you the day and night difference of these solar lights. Here I have them mounted to show the light on the tree at night. It's not quite dark out yet, but you can see how well the lights are shining on the tree. And here is when it's really dark at night. Now's the time if you want to adjust your light settings from light to bright. And you can always change the angle of your light to shine it up more on the tree or down on the ground. Now let's take you back so you can see how bright this light is. Standing further back, you can see the light is very bright, as it can light up quite a big area. Personally, this is one of the best landscaping lights that is solar powered I've ever seen. So now let's check out some other areas. Here we have it on a single cedar bush, and here it is at night. Now if you want to face it to the corner of your building so you can see both sides at night, this LED light provides enough light to see if anything is walking by. And if you want a distant light shot, it gives you a lot of light to shine to see everything along your fence line. Next, if you want to mount it to the side of the building or a fence, just remove the stake. And using the screws provided, and if needed, wall plugs, to mount it where you want to mount it. Remember, you can adjust the angle to where you want to direct the light and then lock it in place. So here we mounted it on top of the fence to provide light for a dark area. Now here's another view without the light and how dark it is. I included this footage to show you how bright this solar light is, as it looks like we're using a flashlight, but it's the solar light. The other cool thing about the solar light is it can last up to 12 hours at night on a full charge. Here we lit up a sidewalk path that's really dark at night, as you can see.
It's dark. So yeah, they're like amazing. Wow.
You can hear our live reactions while trying them out. And again, you can always adjust the level of light you like, from lighter to brighter, as this light has 2 settings. So let's take you for a walk to show you how dark it gets without the lights.
Completely
And turning around
black
to see where we just came from. Again, you can angle them to your desire. I love that you can change them around and you don't have to worry about power cords. So these solar power lights, as you can see, work amazing at night, lighting up any path, any dark area, trees or flowers. These lights only work at night and can run up to a full 12 hours on a full charge. Easy to mount and small enough really not to notice. These lights provide a cool, light look at night. So if you're interested in buying these LITOM 12 LED solar landscape lights that come in a 2-pack, you can buy them on Amazon. The link is provided below. I highly recommend them. They're great quality and easy to use. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Remember to click the notification bell to be notified for each and every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching. We'll see you later.